Welcome, everybody, and thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for subscribing. I wanted to set off the this year with a boot camp training and let you guys know what my goals and plans are for next year. And what you're seeing right now is a brand new website I just created um, to give you guys value. On this website, there's a lot of great things that you'll be able to come back to and click on and um, analyze and get to know and study and things of that nature. Everything on this website is designed to help you grow, to become a successful forex trader, to become profitable, um, to help you in your journey in understanding the charts and becoming the trader you need to be. And it's also going to help you earn that income that you're looking for, whether it's a part-time income or a full-time income to get out of debt, income to help you buy your first or second home, income to help you retire a loved one or retire yourself from a JOB, because we all know what JOB stands for, Journey of the Broke. So strap in, tune in. I'm going to share with you exactly what's on the website, and then we're going to go into bootcamp training on what I'll be sharing and teaching you guys in the upcoming new year. And Happy New Year to everybody. I'm excited for your journey with me and also with learning how to trade the Forex market or the indices and things of that nature. So let's dive in and let me go ahead and go over the website. That way you guys could see exactly what I put together for you, because this is going to be a tool to help you grow. Okay, so if you go to www.wellnessmateria.com, you have an opportunity there to go directly to this website. So it's forwarded directly to this website. And on this website, we're just going to go through it real quick. It says, become a successful Forex trader. Welcome to Metro FX Traders. That's my club. That's um, I invite you to participate in. I invite you to be part of the Facebook group, right? There's a Facebook group right here. You'll click on that if you're on Facebook. You'll also be invited to be part of the Telegram group that I put together for my team only. And there you'll get some notifications of when I do future trainings, and you'll get screenshots of some of my trades that I put that I conduct. That way you guys can get an understanding of what that looks like. The broker I use, you can go ahead and click on that to view the broker that I use, because you're going to need this first, right? You're going to need a broker to help you execute your trades. You're going to need TradingView, which will help you chart your charts, right? Help you analyze the market. I'm a technical analysis type of individual, so you're going to learn exactly how to become a technical analysis. We'll also go over fundamental analysis and what that means as far as understanding the news and expecting news outbreaks and things of that nature. But right now, go to TradingView. You're going to subscribe to that link right here and get a free account. Okay, so the broker, there's no charge to become a member or subscribe to becoming to getting this broker, but you want to open up a demo account when you go to this particular website, because that's where you're going to learn or practice, okay, how to trade. So you want a demo account with this broker, and then when you're ready, you go ahead and open up a live account. Okay, the live account will allow you to execute live trades and make money that way as well. But right now, paper trade with the demo account. That way you get the practice in. As I start to teach you guys can take notes and so on and so forth. So on here, you're going to want to get your journal as well. And this will allow you to, write down your notes and keep you organized for the new year. So there's a journal here that you want to go ahead and subscribe to or get for yourself. Now, these are tools that you're going to need, because every career, there's tools, right? Without the tools, you can't do a good job. Okay. So there you go. All right. So you got the broker I use, TradingView is here. Forex course. I'm actually creating a course for you guys. That way you can watch it at your leisure anytime throughout the day. It's going to have modules. It's going to have, I'm not going to put any quizzes in there because it's going to be self-evident as far as what I teach you guys. So minus the quizzes, but you'll be able to go to module to module to module. And then once you're done, you get a true grasp exactly of how I help you guys become successful in the markets. So look out for the course that's coming soon. and my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. That way you'll get notifications by hitting the bell button. You'll get notifications of when I put up the videos, especially my Saturday bootcamp trainings. I actually upload those videos on my YouTube channel. So subscribe to the channel. This video here is designed to help you dream, because without a dream, there's really no activity. So you got to have a passion for something you want to achieve. It could be tangible or intangible. And this is a good visual video that'll help you, set your dreams big. Because if you're going to pursue this, I want you to dream big, bigger than you ever dreamt before. Just pretend you won the lotto. Okay, and you're going on a shopping spree, and you just put down what you want inside of the journal. You're going to set up goals, right? Because goals are just stepping stones to your dreams. Okay, so once you reach your goals, at the end of that achievement, your dreams is waiting for you. Okay, so watch this video to the end. It's really inspiring, and watch it more than once just to get an idea what your dreams can be and should be. That is an exciting video as well. Okay. Also on here, don't forget to order your journal. Go to Forex Factory to get the news. This is where you're going to learn how to become a fundamental analysis, because understanding news and what GDP means and all that good stuff. When they announced employment growth and reduction in taxes and so on and so forth, there'll be a calendar there that you can actually, depending on the pair you trade, you can actually follow the news of that country's pair or currency. Okay. So you're going to want to every now and again put this in a backdrop and click on the different news highlights and announcements, because you don't want to trade the news unless you're skilled, right? Because when somebody in the news announces something, either positive or negative, it will change the direction of the pair that you're trading. So if you're caught up in it, it may drop when you're in a buy. So you may just pretty much blow your account. But if it's positive news and it goes up and you're in a uptrend, right, for a buy, you can profit from that positive news. So that's all fundamental analysis, and we'll discuss that going forward in future trainings. And there's a free Forex training here as well. You guys can go ahead and start, going to this training before I create my actual course. This will be a paid course, but this one I put here just to get you guys started is free. And you'll be able to graduate from kindergarten all the way to graduate school. They have modules in there as well. So that way you get an understanding what the terms mean, what the graphs mean, what the charts mean. So everything's there. So there's a huge dictionary of terms and concepts and ideas that you guys can get familiar with. Okay, and I'm also going to be putting here a trading academy. I'm looking at a company right now. I'm actually doing my due diligence. And so once I'm done with my due diligence, I'll put the link here. That way you guys can subscribe to this academy. And then once you're part of the academy, you'll be able to invite your friends to be part of the academy with your referral link. And then you'll receive a referral commission or a reward for inviting your friends to the academy. And that's going to be some more residual income for you. Okay, now becoming a funded trader, I've put two companies here that would allow you to sign up for certain challenges. There's going to be free monthly challenges that you can sign up for, and I'll be announcing who they are. But there's also challenges on here that you can purchase for yourself, which will have a couple of phases for you to pass. And once once you pass those phases, these funding companies will give you a live account to trade, and they'll do a profit split with you, anywhere from 80 to 20%, where you would keep 80% of the profit you make in the trading account, and they keep 10%. Some of them even pay 90%, and they keep 10%. So going forward, the strategy there is to have at least 3 different funding accounts. That way you're trading 3 different accounts. And when you pass those challenges, you'll have an opportunity. The goal would be is to create at least $5,000 in profit per challenge, okay, per funding account. That's $15,000 a month. That way you can actually start funding are getting your dreams. Okay. So there's two companies here that I put here that I want you guys to, do your due diligence, take a look at. So, it's up to you if you want to become part of those funding challenges there. Now, dividend reinvesting, this is a strategy or an app. You're going to want to download this app and then get with me and stay tuned to my future trainings of what companies that will pay out dividend if you live in the United States. And these companies, once you invest in their stock, right, they pay out quarterly dividends to you, which is free money for just investing in their stock. And then you reinvest those dividends to make your account grow. Okay, that would be the very first thing you want to set up. And then get with me and I can help you or even share with you the companies that I have in my pie, because you can create your own pie like a mutual fund. And then those companies will reward you for just, owning their stock. And these are stocks that'll be, stocks that you are familiar with, right? So once you set up that account, get with me, let me know. That way I can share with you what companies that I think are really good companies and so on and so forth. I can't make any recommendations, but I could share, right? It's up to you to take advantage of that if you want. Okay, so there's income disclosure. There's no guarantee of income. Your income's depending on how much time and effort you put into understanding and learning and training this craft. This is a skill set. And once you learn the skill set, nobody can take it away from you and you can write your own paycheck. Okay. Okay. Yeah. You're working a 9 to 5. You want to continue to do that. That's great. But let's look at it realistically. They'll never pay you what you're worth. They'll only pay you for what that position's worth. And if that position's worth only $25,000 a year, $30,000 a year, $40,000 a year, that's all that they're going to pay on that position. But you know you're worth more than that, right? So you can actually extract anywhere from $2,500 a week to $10,000 a month once you become really, really good out of the market. Therefore, you can add that to your current salary, right? Which would be over and above everything else. And that money there will help you get out of debt, will help you put in place a suitable retirement for yourself, for your family members. It'll help you fund college funding activities for your kids. It'll help you purchase your dream car. It'll help you get out of that car note you have now. So lock in, stay tuned, and stay plugged in because there's a lot of great things that are going to be happening in 2024. And then we have smart contracts. I don't know if you guys ever heard of smart contracts. A smart contract is actually almost like a CD or a bond, right? You purchase it and you let it grow over time. And there will be smart contracts there that you can do your due diligence on, anywhere from a 3-year contract to a 5-year contract, where you purchase the contract, a one-time fee, and you just hold on to that contract for a 3-year duration or 5-year duration. And when you do that, they will reward you with interest. Okay. They will reward you with extra funds. It's in the crypto space. So definitely click that link and watch a couple of videos. It'll take you directly to what I'm talking about, which company did I recommend that will allow you to grow your Bitcoin account. So we're going to do dividend reinvestments. We're going to do smart contracts and we're going to trade our money. Okay. Be our own bank. Okay. Because when you deposit money in the bank, what do? They promise you interest, but how do they get the interest? Well, they trade your money. They actually take your money, pull it up with everybody else, give it to their investment department, right? And investment advisors. And these individuals are trading the market, right? They have a whole department of licensed individuals who are skilled to look at the charts, invest your money in gold, silver, and the dollar, in different currencies and so on and so forth. And they get paid to do that. Okay. But again, there's a ceiling there. They can't make as much as they want because they're making it for the bank. But here, you're going to be your own bank. You're going to start trading your own money and you're going to grow with a small account and hopefully get it to a point where it's very significant, which would allow you to get your dreams. Okay, so I put some proof here to show you some of the trade. One trade that I've actually conducted, and it's in one trade I made $2,589. Okay, growing an account that I started with $10,000. Okay, so you can see that the equity now is like 16,000, but I grew this account from 10,000 all the way up to 16, and I profited on trading NAS 100. Just took a couple of good trades and it went in my direction for a buy, and I was able to profit out of all that. So that's what you're gonna learn. Okay. Now, will there be 100% successes and wins? And no, no, nothing's guaranteed. There will be some losses, but you got to stomach the losses, right? But you always got to set a stop loss, which will protect your principal, which will protect your account. Without a stop loss, do not trade. Okay, we'll discuss what the stop losses are in the near future. But I just want to share with you this website that I created. Now, down here, I'll probably start writing a blog, letting you guys know some updates and so on and so forth. But you want to join my mailing list, my email list, by putting your name, your email address, and your name. That way, I can email you announcements, email you reminders of when the next Forex Bootcamp training is going to be, the time, and so on and so forth. And then down here, I have also put an opportunity for you guys to learn how to make money as an affiliate marketer. Okay. This is a prosperity club. In this particular club, I'm going to show you how to become an affiliate marketer, how to actually rank up and start promoting other people's products and services and receiving a commission for doing that, which will allow you now to have some extra funds that you can put towards, excuse me, that you could put towards your trading account, that you could put on, like a big bucket of money there from your affiliate marketing commissions, taking that money and funding your dividend reinvestment account, buying more contracts, and actually growing your money through trading. So those are the three avenues we're going to focus on, but with other people's money, meaning that you're going to learn how to become an affiliate marketer, learn how to use Facebook to, attract new customers for those companies that you're going to be promoting. And when those companies get a new sale, or that company actually sells a product, and because they clicked on your link, they're going to reward you with a commission, a referral bonus, and so on and so forth. So that's more money that you're going to make on top of everything else. Okay, so become part of the Prosperity Club as well. I'll be doing a separate training on that for you guys to learn more about that. Now, if you're low on funds and you want to get started, I put two companies here that will give you free money. Exactly. They will give you free money. What do you mean? Well, by creating an account with these two companies here, and you fund your account, right? And you do what they want you to do, they're gonna reward you with an extra $100 bill. And now you could use that money to get everything started. So if you're saying to yourself, well, I'm low on funds, well, go ahead and click on those two links to learn more about how you can actually get $100. And you take, if you get the first $100, you take $50, right? Start your dividend reinvestment account, okay? Because you can invest as low as $25 um a month, $25 a week, every 2 weeks, whatever. And it'll start purchasing stocks for you by breaking up that money and purchasing micro stocks for you inside of the dividend reinvestment account. And then you take another portion of that $100, another $50, and you start your live account and start growing that money by trading the markets. Okay. And then when you get the second $100, okay, you take that $100 and you go ahead and purchase your contract, right? So you'll have three things going for you. You have the dividend reinvestment account, you'll have your Forex account or your trading account, and then you have your contracts. Now you're in position. You're in position for wealth. You're in position to grow. You're in position to become successful. Okay. So I put this strategy together, and I'll be showing you guys proof of my accounts. It has grown over time. Okay. So I'm not saying something that I'm not doing myself. I'm gonna show you how it has grown over time. Okay. And I'll also show you how to open up a trading account or a funded account, or take a challenge, so to speak. There's a company that's actually doing if we click on one of the funding accounts here, you can go ahead and do that now before January 1. So let me see which one it is. I think it's this one. Let's go ahead and click on that. Rocket 21. Okay. So Rocket 21, you can create a funding challenge, right? Create a challenge. But what I want you guys to do is click on home, Okay, click on home. And then once you click on home, I want you to click on, let's see, take our challenge. No, Discord. No, there's a part where I want you guys to click on here, which is, and they also have, a 30% off deal, which is kind of nice. But there's a section, I think it's community competition. Okay, so you're going to click on community, click on competitions. You're going to do this once a month. Okay, click on competitions and you're going to join, okay, a competition for the month. Okay, all right. Okay, it's probably asking me to log in. So let me go ahead and log in really quick to show you what that looks like. You're going to create a free account. Okay. Okay. So you can click on competition, log in, create an account, but it should be also on their main website. Can't remember my own password. Hold on. Okay. All right. It's logging me in now. Hold on. Okay. So once you get into your back office or you log in or off their website, you're gonna look for competitions, right? And here they actually give you the different competitions. They've already completed the October, the November, the December competitions, and they have contestants, right? And if you're one of the top three, you can be rewarded a live account to trade, okay, and then do that profit split with you, like I mentioned earlier. So right now, you're going to register for the January one. It starts January 1, year 2024. So you're going to click on register and you'll sign up. There's already 10,110 contestants, okay, that are going to be competing for a live trading account. Okay, so they'll send you your username and password to connect it to your MetaTrader. Okay, so you're going to need to get MetaTrader, the app, whether it's MetaTrader 5 or MetaTrader 4. Okay, so look for that app on your smartphone or even download it on your computer. Okay, and then from what I teach you, go ahead and try to be a winner of the contest, right? Because winners will receive rewards. So you can also register for future contests as well. So I'm going to go ahead and register for February just to show you what that looks like. So all you got to do is just click on register and it says you've successfully registered for February. And then what they do is they email you your credentials. Okay. So yeah, I just got a notification that they just emailed me my credentials. But if you go to December and you look at the standings, because December it just ended, there was like 17,395 contestants. And as you can see, these are the winners. So if you're a winner, top three gets a funded account absolutely at no cost. Okay, so they'll get like $100,000 funded account to trade on the company. Okay, so that's pretty cool. And then you can also filter by username. When you create your username, you can see where you fall in the challenge and so on and so forth. This is a great way to get some great practice and put your strategy in place because I'm going to teach you how to create what we call a trading plan, and then you're gonna follow your trading plan, use it in a challenge, and then hopefully become one of the top three as a winner. Okay, so you can see these individuals traded in the top. The first place guy made over $61,979.08 inside of the challenge or the contest, and he was able to beat out the other guys. Or this could be a female as well. You never know, because anybody could be a trader. All right, so this is really cool. It also shows you like your winning rate. Um, People got who disqualified because you have to get a certain. There's drawdowns. If you go below a certain number, you can be disqualified. But if you take your time and you don't trade or do multiple trades, you maybe do one or two trades a day for 30 days and see where you fall in this contest. So you can compete with others. And yeah, it's going to be a fun thing. I'm already part of January, so I'm waiting for January 1 to kick off, and I'll be part of the challenge. I'll be sending you guys updates to let you know where I fall as far as, what number I am inside of the challenge as well. So that's available on my website, right? So you're going to click on become a funded trader, and then you're going to go ahead and sign up for one of the challenges. Um, as far as becoming a contestant and competing with others and so on and so forth. So that's a lot of good things that you'll find on my website, an opportunity to, become a contestant. And if you're in the top three, win yourself a complimentary free trading account. And then they'll do that profit split with you. And that way you can make some money going forward. So that's pretty cool. Hopefully you guys like that. Hopefully you find value in that. But definitely come here and do your due diligence and click on the different links. I'll also be teaching you guys how to create the same exact website. So you're going to want to click on this link down here. That way, once you start creating a following, and I'll teach you how to become an influencer, and you have this same website, all the clickable links will be your referral links. And then you'll start earning referral commissions and so on and so forth. So you're going to want to create an account with this to get the same exact website. And I'll share with you the share code, which will create the same exact website for you. So you don't have to create it yourself. And what you do is just change out the links to your referral links. Disclaimer, yeah, when you do sign up for any one of these referral links, I will receive a small commission if you do fund your accounts and so on and so forth. This is why I put this all here. That way you guys can follow in my footsteps. You start making money off your own particular website. If you want to become a trainer yourself or an influencer or somebody who's going to coach others. So that's totally up to you. Just let me know if you're interested in that. Okay, so with that being said, let's dive into the charts. Um, my session is usually 30 minutes in the first half, and then um, 30 minutes in the second half. There's two sessions. So the first session was to give you this announcement of my brand new website, and you want to go to the link that you see above, but I'll type it in. That way you could see what it is. You're going to go to the top right, and you're going to click on www.wilmsmeteyer, METAYER.com. Okay, wilmsmeteyer.com. Go ahead and click that, and it takes you directly to this website. Okay. All right. So that's WYLMSMETAYER.com. Okay. All right. So yeah, it'll be the link will be in the description area if you're looking at this video on my YouTube channel. All right. So now what we're gonna do is click on Trading View, and we're gonna do, I'm gonna dive into the second half of the meeting because Zoom is telling me I have 10 minutes left. It's counting down. But once you click on Trading View here, it's going to take you directly to your Trading View. And what you want to do when you get here, okay, you can create a free account. Don't open up a new account yet or a paid account because they're giving you some deals. You want to go ahead and just sign up for a free account, okay, and then register for that account, okay. And then once you create your free account, okay, you're going to go to products, click on super charts, okay. And then it'll give you the charts, right? So you want to at least have 2 to 3 pairs that you're analyzing on a weekly basis. So I do my analysis on Sunday nights. Okay. I trade Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursdays. And if there's an opportunity on Friday, I'll probably trade on Friday as well. And if there's an opportunity on Monday, I'll probably trade on Monday as well. But this is US 30. I was trading US 30 last week. And I had some good trades, had some bad trades, but that's part of the territory, right? It's going to be good trades, bad trades, but I'm going to go ahead and clear everything out. And we're going to dive in, even take out the indicators. Now, this particular indicator you can find on TradingView. If you go here and type in this indicator right here, which is exponential moving average set of 3 by FSKRYP. okay, and then make it star it and make it your one of your favorites. I love this indicator, but right now I'm gonna do a naked chart and take the indicator off. Okay, so we're gonna hide the indicator. Okay, now everything you hear on the left side is going to be your tools. Okay, on the free version, you get ads. So you can go ahead and X out the ads and use this platform for absolutely no charge. And then when you start making money, you want to invest in a paid, no advertisement chart as a paid member. Okay, so basically what I do and what you want to do is do a top down analysis. So you want to start with a monthly chart and start analyzing the monthly chart. So if you scroll down here, you see the chart's not here, but I want to make it visible. So you go here and you start looking at what the chart has been doing on a monthly basis. So we're about to end this year. So as you can see, if you do a quick analysis of this chart, ask yourself one question: is it an uptrend or downtrend? Okay, an uptrend means the market was trending upwards, a downtrend meaning the market was trending downwards. But if we look at this, it's the overall trend, right? Past couple of months, because every candle you see here, now, if you haven't read the Candlestick Bible, I encourage you to read that book. You can email me at metrofxtraders@gmail.com. You can email me and I'll send you a copy of that book, absolutely no cost. But there is also an audio version of the book on my website. I mean, not website, but on my YouTube channel. There's an audio version of the book where you can actually listen to it while you're driving to work, while you're out and about. Put it in your ear, and that the woman will read you the entire book. But yes, Edward, you are correct. You messaged me, you put in a chat that it's an uptrend, and you are 100% correct. And by doing that, you've actually now know that you want to trade the market going up, right? You don't want to trade the market going down. You want to trade the market going up. So typically what I do, I would put like an arrow from the bottom and go like this. That way you know that it's sloping upwards. So that's the first thing you want to do is take your trend line. You can find it over here on the left panel, and it's right here. It's called an arrow. So when you click on this little button here, you see all your tools. And what I'm using right now is the arrow. Make it your favorite. It'll create a favorite for you right here. Okay. So it's an uptrend. You can take a look at it this way. All right. And you can also take another arrow, take it from the bottom here and slope it up this way. So that way you know, right? It's like 1, 2, run it through. So this bottom touches this bottom and it continues to go upward, right? So that's an uptrend. Then once you know this, you start going lower and lower. So you're going to go to the 4-hour now. Okay. Well, let me go back to the monthly real quick. Okay. Because you also want to put trend lines on this particular chart. Okay. So let's take the horizontal ray and we're going to put a ray on the bottom where actually the red you see came down here. So that's the bottom of the market. And you take the ray again, horizontal line, and you're going to put it below the red candles. Now you could change out your candles. You can make it whatever color you want. My up candles, bullish candles are white. My bearish candles are red. Okay. You can change these colors out to your liking if you prefer. But yeah, so we're going to take another line and we're going to put it below here, this particular. So you got your support and resistance levels. So that's what I'm doing. The bottom lines are called support. So that's the floor. The top lines are going to be called resistance, okay, which is the ceiling. And you can, make them thicker if you'd like, okay, or thinner. It's up to you. And you can also change out the colors of the different markers there. Okay. So what I'm doing is putting my support and resistance lines here. Okay. So we know if the market goes below this support, right? Okay, because you want to do the most recent support, which is right here. Okay, so we can literally erase these two because it'll probably take a couple of months before it ever hits those lines down there. We're going to also get rid of this line here because we want to make sure that we have the most current trend line, right? So we got our resistance levels, and we also got our support. Okay, and I got like a minute and 40 seconds left. But as we can see, it came up, right? Came up, almost hit the resistance level. It came down, hit the support level, bounced up, hit the resistance level, came down, retrace. We call this a retrace when it pulls back. It hits the support level, and all of a sudden we have a breakout, right? It broke above the resistance level and started trending higher. Okay. So now we have a new resistance level and a new support. Okay. Because you put the resistance level on the high with our horizontal line. We put it on the top and create a new resistance level. And we put it on the bottom and create a new support level. So we can go ahead and erase this one. Okay. Because now we have a new resistance and a new support. Okay. All right. So I'm going to probably have to do a second part of the training. So I'm going to end this session right here and then stay tuned for the second part. I'm also going to upload this on my YouTube channel and send it to you guys in my Facebook chat. So stay tuned for part two. So I'm going to go ahead and end the session now and then restart everything and get another fresh 30 minutes and continue the training. All right. So if you like what you see so far and you want to be part of everything, subscribe, reach out to me, ask to be part of the group, and I'll add you at no charge. So that's, I look forward to helping you guys.